Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake gel. Cake gel is a fantastic emulsifier that significantly improves the texture and quality of your baked goods. It helps create a lighter, more stable batter, leading to cakes with a finer crumb and increased volume. Plus, using cake gel can even extend the shelf life of your delicious creations, keeping them fresh longer. To make cake gel, you'll need specific food-grade ingredients. Key components include emulsifiers like monoglycerides and propylene glycol esters, which are crucial for its function. You'll also need solvents such as propylene glycol and sorbitol. Always prioritize high-quality, food-grade ingredients to ensure your homemade cake gel is safe and effective for baking. The process of making cake gel involves careful heating and mixing. First, gently heat your chosen emulsifiers and solvents, typically to a temperature around 90 to 95 degrees Celsius. Stir the mixture continuously to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined and to prevent air incorporation. Once blended, cool the gel slowly, stirring at a very low speed to release any trapped air, resulting in a smooth, transparent gel. Proper storage is essential for your homemade cake gel. Keep it in an airtight container in a cool, dark place, ideally between 10 and 18 degrees Celsius, to maintain its quality for up to 1 year. When baking, incorporate cake gel into your batter at a dosage of 1 to 5% of the total weight of ingredients. This small amount will significantly enhance your cake's volume, texture, and shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.